meron kaming proposed resolution or solution how to handle Senator Bato sa situation. Na-constitute na yung ethics natin eh. So matatakil na yan. Pero I think I heard Senator Trillanes is filing I think in March. Kasi ng 6th month ng absent si Senator Bato. I don't realize that. I didn't realize that until nabanggit kanina na 6 months na nga palang wala si Senator Bato rito in March. More or less, yun ang isang suggestion na baka isuspend or itigil yung sweldo kasi parang sabi ko kay SP kanina, paaral natin mabuti kasi covered kami ng civil service law. Baka hindi ubra yung hindi mo pa sweldo yung senador kung walang basis. Pero tama rin sa SP, we have our own rules. Bound tayo ng ethics committee recommendation. Once ma-adapt sa plenary, pwedeng isa sa mga recommendations. Pwedeng implement ng plenary na itigil. So that's one of the suggestions.